Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for Sunday, June 30th. Wow, it's the end of another month, 2024. Crazy. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off on Friday. We saw a bit of red overall. The Dow down 80 points, while the S&P reverse course here was higher earlier in the day, finished lower by 25 points. And the Nasdaq, same thing, down 112. The Russell, which is mostly made up of small caps, up just 5 points. So overall, not much has changed over the past week. Looking at crude oil, fairly flat on the day. Same with gold, up 3 points, and silver up 30 cents here, while the dollar finished slightly lower. So, excuse me, we have an interesting week coming up. Before I get into looking at any charts here, I want to remind you on Monday we have got ISM manufacturing PMI. On Tuesday we got Fed Chair Powell speaking along with the JOLTS jobs report. On Wednesday we get the FOMC meeting minutes. That'll be more important. A lot of people pay attention to what the consensus is over at the Fed, and we know there have been some Fed officials that have stated that they would prefer to hike rates. Now, I think they're in the minority at this point, but there's still a couple lingering, while others think they should begin to cut soon. So we'll see what those minutes tell us. And then on Friday, we get the big jobs report. I think that will be important. Just a reminder, a couple of charts to keep an eye on here that I'm looking at anyway. Biogen continues to be on my radar. We know it's been channeling here. Well, we know from the monthly charts that below these levels, there's a big potential for a drop. Having said that, right now, we are getting closer to the highs of this recent channel. And if we can overcome this level here at 240, we potentially, at least near term, have some decent upside potential. So that's what I'm going to keep an eye out for on Biogen. And then Burlington Stores, BURL, giving us a re-entry here on our victory system. And we see that we have a nice slope on the 20. Yes, we've been consolidating recently, but we have been finding support at the 20 there. If we look at the weekly chart, there is room to move. Same with the monthly above here. Volume by price here, you can see that resistance really thins out, meaning there's a lot of room for potential upside. So that's what I will be looking for here. If it trades above Friday's high, which was 242.74, then I'm going to take a good look at this and consider taking a long position on Burlington Stores early this week. Let's check earnings. Yeah, 53 days away. So we have plenty of time before we have to worry about any earnings. So again, we have a couple of interesting data points to be released. Big one comes on Friday, the jobs numbers. But aside from that, keeping an eye on a couple of charts that look like they're almost ready to move here. All right, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you on our next update. Take care.